came here for harvesting and a very good experience in plucking cluster beans and other vegetables, tomatoes, brinjals. Really nice experience for children as well.
And kids made Jeevamrutham also with their own hands. That's very good experience and we had good time.
Hi, I'm Satya Vegi. So we visited Organo Farm today along with the family. We had a great time here. So we had a good experience. Kids enjoyed it. Especially they are able to understand how to make different aspects of the farming. Starting with making Jeevamrutham, how it is mixed. They had enjoyed it, especially doing it with their own hands, mixing stuff. So they are able to understand that. And then after that we went around the farm. We plucked the farming, so we could collect a lot of vegetables. And then we went around the farm, we observed things. And the team here was able to explain us about different aspects of farming. Kids could enjoy it, kids could relate it because they are able to study in school, but now they are able to see in the farm and they are able to visualize it much more better. So it's a great experience. I would definitely recommend kids and parents to come here and unwind for a weekend.